Experience the ultimate in luxury with your newly installed neoprene seat covers, custom fit for your Toyota Camry. Made with soft and stretchy water-resistant neoprene fabric, these custom fit seat covers are precision cut to meet vehicle specifications and tailored for a perfectly snug fit. These rugged covers are impeccably constructed with thick foam padding and offer special stitching that allows for side airbag deployment. The backside of the bucket seats are equipped with handy slip pockets to safely store personal items. And the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. Offered in a variety of colors, these rugged covers are long-lasting and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding for extra comfort. Protect the interior and full value of your Toyota Camry with the stylish yet practical benefits of your newly installed custom-fit neoprene seat covers.